We're currently in Pretoria at Brooklyn House, student residential building, opposite the University of Pretoria. My name is Cliff Gouws and I'm a design architect at Boogertman Partners. I was the project lead on Brooklyn House Phase 1, and our company is one of the largest firms in Africa. We have a few offices nationwide and also a few satellite offices internationally. Our design motive is really to focus on sustainability, not only architectural sustainability, but also social sustainability. So the brief of the building was actually quite interesting. We really had a look at what is currently offered in the market. I think architecturally the building differentiates itself, and that really shows that it really proliferates through right through to the guys living here. Then was the offering. We had a very clear brief on specifics on materiality and on finishes, that we really want to provide something that is quite unique and aspirational. There's very good design joinery, very nice floor materials, internal wall finishes. There's very good art in the building. There's a shared gym on the roof, very nice rooftop entertainment, pools, braais, a lot of communal spaces, a rooftop cinema. I think that really puts the building in a different league in terms of its offering, quite well against what is currently in the market and what is currently defined as student housing. We try to oppose the whole idea that student architecture needs to be bright and colourful. We went for something that's a little bit more aspirational. A lot of references back to Harvard University, to something that's where educational architecture is a little bit more formal, and that's why we brought in the items like the brick arch. Residential architecture in itself is quite allergic to parking and basements. So unfortunately, with a high parking demand, we had to raise all the parking above ground. And I think what we did quite successfully on an urban scale is to connect that second floor podium level with the street interface of Linwood by creating a nice big grand staircase up, and then we used the black Corobrik brick to actually use that as a form of a covering for our parking structure. For the envelope of the building, we used a variety of materials. We used, first of all, the Corobrik black brick, together with the titanium satin brick, also from Corobrik. I think it ties back very well to our conceptual approach with the building, putting it into a little bit of a more formal, aspirational type of message that we wanted to create with the building. And it also provided us with a lot of detailing opportunities to really bring the building back to a human scale. I think the nice thing about the Corobrik black brick is the fact that it's black, because architects are usually trying to looking for black bricks, and they try to paint semi-face bricks, which doesn't give you the maintenance quality of the satin brick. Again, I think now with the onyx that was a little bit brown, the new black brick is actually black. And I think to work with that in varieties of mortar colours, etc., really provide architects with a lot of fun elements to play with. That ties back to our first architectural brief, and the fact that the client really wanted something timeless. I think that's what the architecture actually provides. It really creates a sense of timelessness, and hopefully within the next 50 years the building will still be relevant. For me, the most important thing is the fact that we need a face to each company, and I think the Corobrik team really provided that face for us, not only with the architects but also with the guys on site. Also, when problems are experienced, in every project there is problems, they really come to the table and really help to find solutions. I'm exceptionally proud of the project. I think it ties in very well with the urban fabric of Pretoria and Linwood Street, and would hopefully contribute to the growing and future context of what is Pretoria. And really what stands out for me is the fact that I think we used simple materials to really create an extraordinary outcome.